Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today we're going to review this Yuha the Eanes Gen 2 breast pump. I considered buying this because this is wearable, cordless, and I can use this anytime, anywhere. Advantages that you can get from using this one: it has an application included, it has less noise. Sleek and compact design, quite inconvenient operation. It's made with food-grade plastic and silicone. These are the things that you can see inside the box. That they have 1-year warranty on the pump mechanism. So here we have a nice hard box with these flaps. We're going to pull it off. So we have this silicone insert. We have the pump. It's color pink, and at the same time it has extra duck bill. We have the charging port here. It's Type-C. So let's put this here first. And so we have the manual here. Here we have the pump control panel. We have the increased level here and the reduced level and the on and off or mode button. So if you see red light, that means massage, blue light express, and purple light means mixed mode. I have yet to check the app control next time. Make sure that you have read this so that you can know how to properly take care of your pump. So the battery has an indicator, which means green 31 to 100%, the orange is 11% to 30%, and the battery is the red one means 1 to 10, critical level. Do not charge for longer than 24 hours, but they didn't actually say how long you should be charging it. We have recommended some postures for expressing. This one is the ideal, upright and then slightly forward or bending forward, but this won't work laying back or side. A carry bag for use. Charger. This one is the Breast Shield Extra and the charger. We open this now. The motor unit, membrane here, and we have the dust cap. And then we open it, the silicone breast shield. Here we have a 150 ml filled cup, 5 ounces, 24 millimeter. So there you go guys. So I'll be using this tomorrow. So ito yung isa sa mga breast pump na highly recommended by other mommies. That's why I was really trying to see kung okay siya for me. So what I like about this one is that it has less breast pump parts, which is very convenient to clean. At the same time, it's discreet. Yes, it's wearable, rechargeable, and it has different modes on it. Plus, meron siyang applications. Applications sa cellphone. Madali na siyang gamitin. And other mothers are wondering kung anong itsura niya sa loob ng damit. Gusto talaga ng mga tao yung mga wearables and hands-free, yung walang tubings, para laging on the go kahit na mag-multitask ka whenever you tend to your baby or parallel pumping, walang ka-hassle-hassle. So, ito, ang maximum niya is nasa 150. So, as long as you're able to connect and secure the parts properly, it will never leak. So, sa akin, never naman itong nag-leak. So, i-compare lang din natin siya dito sa Mommy Hush Lifestyle Breast Pump kasi ito yung mga nako-compare. Naging curious talaga ako before ko sila gamitin. So, ayan, check natin kung paano. So, ito, kung makikita ninyo, madali na naman siyang gamitin, no? I just want to show you the top that I'm using is a sleeveless top na nursing bra. Built-in na siya. So, meron siya mga clasp dito para easier to use when you are nursing your baby or at the same time you are breast pumping. So, nowadays, ito talaga yung mga ino-order ko para madali lang gamitin. So, I actually love wearing this, no? Very convenient and very on the go. So, yung ibang damit ko, medyo pinamigay ko na and nagkaroon din ako ng parang shift na kailangan mommy mode na ako. It's my mommy era. And nag-change rin ako ng mga wardrobe. Pero yung iba, na-declutter ko na. So, anyway, gawin na natin to. So, ayan, i-unclamp lang natin. Yan. So, wala tayong makikitang bulbs ngayon. So, ayan. Dali lang siya gamitin. Tapos, make sure lang na adjusted siya at the back. Para secured siya. Not too tight and not too strong. So, that is how it sounds like when it's turned on. On the other side naman, gamitin naman natin itong Mommy Hush. Actually, isa lang yung binili kong ganito. Para lang din makita natin kung ano yung difference. Tsaka, nagtetest din kasi ako kung ano talaga yung gusto ko gamitin. Mga extra ko lang naman sila. So, narinig nyo, ito yung sa other side. And then, i-open ko naman itong Mommy Hush. Narinig nyo ba? Okay, I will turn off yun sa left side. This is Mommy Hush na lang. Na yung tunog niya. So, actually, yung mga ganito naman kasi is hindi siya ganun ka-noticeable kapag may ambient noise. So, if you wonder how it looks like when you are wearing a blouse, ito siya. Okay, guys. So, I'm now wearing a blouse. And this is how it looks like. Ayan siya. Side view. Ayan. So, as you can see, this top that I'm wearing is also a nursing top. Next naman is papakita ko kung paano ina-assemble yung parts. So, ito yung motor. And then, the pump parts. Yan siya. Ito yung reservoir. Ito yung cap. So, yan lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, ito, lalagay mo to dito, yung duck bill or yung valve. And then, insert mo to. Madali lang siya gamitin. Yan. And then, make sure na nakalapat ito. Ito, madali lang. Sometimes, saka mamadali, hindi na-fit ng maayos to. So, make sure na nakalapat siya. Insert nyo lang to. Sa nipples. Ayan siya. Ngayon, lagay nyo lang to. Should fit here. Then, i-on natin dito. Hindi ko pala na-charge. Anyway, so kapag i-drain mo siya, kailangan ay tanggalin mo muna yung pump motor. And then, ito, yung spout, pwede mo siyang i-diretso sa lalagyanan.